This video made over $11,000 in the last 7 days just by promoting a product on TikTok Shop. It's actually amazing how so many people are earning thousands of dollars on TikTok, and the video style you just saw is going viral and making huge money through TikTok affiliate commissions. How the hell is that even possible? In this video, I am going to explain exactly how they did it. TikTok is literally breaking the algorithm in 2025, and for sure it's the most profitable business you can start now. So let me blow your mind. To find a trending and hot niche, there's a tool called Shoplus.net, designed only for TikTok Shop affiliates. This tool helps you to find trending niches and hot-selling products. The good part is that you can also see other creators using this tool and their viral videos. Now, let's take a look at how this tool is used. Go to the website using the link in the description and sign up for a free account. Right now, Shoplus provides a free trial to everyone, so visit the website on PC to get this offer. So once you are in, you will see this dashboard in front of you. One of the best things about this website is that it allows you to check analytics of top creators according to specified countries. You can change the country settings here to see relevant data of your target audience. From here, you can also view the top selling shops. This information would help you choose your niche properly. Now, if you want to check out the fast-growing products, click on this tab to see all the available niches. Here, you would see multiple categories for the products. For example, if you select the pet supplies niche, you'll see all the sub-niches within it. This will help you to find a trending and profitable niche. Now, to find trending products related to your selected niche, simply go back to Shoplus, and there click on Fast-Growing Products tab. There, choose your desired country, which you want to target, and then, from the category drop-down option, choose your desired category for the products. And just like that, you can find a high sales product. If you want this tool, you can get it from the link given in the description. Let's say you've done your research and decided to promote multi-mineral sea moss by Clean Nutra, which made over $11,000 in the last 7 days. Impressive, right? The next step is to find a competitor's video promoting the same product that has performed well. For instance, in my case, I found this video with 252,000 views. Once you have that, you'll need to transcribe the script. You can do the transcription through any online tool. The goal now is to use this script as a template to create your own version. Think about it. Why start from scratch when something is already working? To do this, open ChatGPT and use this prompt. I'm making a 60-second TikTok video to promote a product. Please rewrite the following script with the same structure, style, tone, and length. Then, paste the competitor's script into the prompt. ChatGPT will rewrite it, keeping the same vibe, but making it unique. For example, the original script starts with, Dr. Sebi's top 3 natural herbs he said would heal the world. The one which we generated begin with, top 3 natural health supplements you should be taking every day. You see, it keeps the same structure, but it's not a duplicate. By now, you should have your script ready. Now, it's time to create the visuals. So to create the visuals, you can use the prompt displayed on the screen. You might be thinking what this prompt will do. It will provide you with a complete outline for your video, including each scene and ideas for visuals. This approach will save you a lot of time. So, I spent some time with Leonardo and ChatGPT, generating all the AI images I needed for the video. Here are some of the prompts I used for the generation of the images. You can tweak those prompts in case you need something similar. Next, you need to generate a voiceover for the script. For that, simply go to 11 Labs and paste your script inside the box, and then from the drop-down menu, select your desired voice and then click Generate. In a few moments, the voiceover should be ready. So, at this stage, you should have everything ready: a high-performing product, a well-crafted script, eye-catching visuals, and an engaging voiceover, like this one. This means it's time to put everything together and create an outstanding video using CapCut. However, I won't be the one showing you how to do it, so let's all invite Master Lumen.
All right, guys, here's how to do it. Creating videos with CapCut is super easy. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Set it up for TikTok and be quick. Import your voiceover, drag it to the timeline. Cut out the silent parts to make it look fine. No silence means viewers stay engaged. This step is key, so don't skip this stage. Next, add your images to the timeline and watch them flow. Align each image with your voiceover and make it neat. Also, make sure to include footage of the product. Now your voiceover and visuals are all in place. You're almost done. You're in the final race. Add transitions. Drag and drop them with style. Keep it fun and engaging. Make viewers stay a while. Want to make it even better? Add captions. Click text, then auto captions, and let it do the work for you. Pick the style and color that feels just right. Your video is now all perfect, ready to export. Now, back to you, Victoria. Your feedback is important.
All right, Master. Thanks for the great explanation. Now, let's check out how the video turned out.
Top 3 natural health supplements you should be taking every day. Number 1, sea moss. Dr. Sebi's personal favorite, as it provides 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs. You'll notice boosted mood, energy, and even a stronger immune system. Next, black seed oil, an ancient healing secret with powerful benefits, like helping your hair grow longer and thicker and giving that clear, glowy skin. Last, burdock root, an antioxidant powerhouse and Dr. Sebi approved. He spoke on burdock root, purifying your blood for a full-body detox. This potent powder combines all 3 of these herbs, plus a whole lot more in their purest form. It's called multi-mineral, your daily dose of nature's wellness. Just go to the TikTok shop below and you can purchase yours.
This is absolutely amazing, and the best part is every step in the video is done for totally free. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe.